it's 2019. And that big solution the city told us about seems to be caught in traffic. That new e-risk system, as DC is calling it, is a multi-million-dollar plan designed to better manage several problem areas by better tracking tickets received by DC employees, creating a district-wide system to deal with repeat accident offenders, and creation of an online system for DC employees to file compensation claims. One look at the city's website and it appears e-risk is live. It says so right there. But when you dig a little deeper, we found that the only thing that's really up and running is this new online system for workers to file compensation claims. Those programs to better monitor employee tickets and accidents, well, that's nowhere to be found. We wanted to press DC government on the reason for the delays, but the city refused our request for an on-camera interview. DC government only agreeing to answer questions via email, telling us those programs to better track employee tickets and accidents was still in the development stages. The question of how am I driving, one the city rather not talk about face-to-face right now. Eric Flack, WUSA 9.
Now, the city tells Eric it expects the risky driving tracking system to be completed by the end of this year, and you know we're going to stay all on top of that. All right, it's kind of weekend I could love. Kind of weekend Topper is kind of dreading, but you know, you get the weekend off. How about that? You get a little break?
Yeah, get a little break. Yeah, the snow chance is decreasing over the weekend, but increasing next week. Now, it's not going to be a pure snow for you snow lovers, but at least we have a chance. We're in the ballpark. So you're saying we have a chance? Yes, I am. Primarily next week. So we showed you the European model last time. This is the American model. Again, we're jumping ahead to Tuesday at 11 o'clock. Very similar in timing. It has the mix just to the south and west of us, and then has some pretty good snow at 5 o'clock in the morning. Kind of unusual to have two models 4 days out to be so close in terms of timing. That gives us more confidence. Now, at 9:30 in the morning on Wednesday, it is still snow. I think that snow line's a little far south, but again, we're kind of getting a little too granular for something that's 4 days out. But just be advised, the rush hour on Wednesday morning is going to be a mess. By the time we get to the afternoon, it kicks to rain except north and west, and then becomes pretty heavy rain overnight and will probably affect the commuters even into Thursday morning. So this European model. Again, a lot of snow in the metro, even some heavy snow to the south of town, a monster storm along the Maryland-PA border. I think that's overdone. I like the timing. I think it's overdone. This is the American model. A little more tempered snow around the metro area before the changeover, but still has a lot of snow north and west. I think that might be a little bit overdone. In this case, I think the models are overestimating the cold air. We'll keep you posted. In the meantime, this weekend, here we go, 0.5. For some reason, the European model's just hanging on to that ½ an inch over the weekend in D.C. I don't see it. It's A, too warm, and B, the storm's going south of us. So keep your weekend plans. Roads are fine Saturday. Even if you're driving south toward Fredericksburg into the storm, not a big deal. On Sunday, we're okay. No travel problems, although extreme north and west could see a little freezing rain by Sunday evening and early Sunday night. But our best chance of accumulating snow, again, is Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Next 5 days, well, 40s on Saturday and Sunday, briefly back in the 50s on Monday. Monday looks great, and then 40s on Tuesday, and then we're in the 30s on Wednesday as that cold air damming. We have a hard time scouring that cold air out. So here we go. This is a look at the futurecast. This is 7 o'clock. Look how far south the model has this storm. Now, I think this is a little too far south, but you folks, Gaithersburg North will have sunshine all day tomorrow. By the time we get into say 10 o'clock, still snow south of Fredericksburg. I think you'll see flakes in Fredericksburg. And then clouds move out. I mean, by 1 o'clock, it's on the way out. Everybody returns with sunshine with temperatures in the 40s tomorrow. So not a bad weekend, and consequently, no yellow weather alerts. 44 tomorrow, 44 on Sunday. We will monitor a yellow weather alert. Melissa and Howard will monitor a yellow weather alert for Sunday afternoon in case the freezing rain gets a little more serious up north. But then, boom, we're 53, sunshine on Monday. Tuesday night into Wednesday, there's the snow kicking to rain. Beautiful again Thursday, and then Friday, some showers possible, and we're back in the 40s.
Pretty special moment for one of the Wizards tonight.
Yeah, so it's the NBA All-Star break right now, so all but one of the Wizards are just straight chilling. One of them, though, had his jersey retired tonight. So we're going to talk about that on the way in sports.